Spantech can provide an excellent solution for the pharmaceutical industry due to our experience, as well as being able to provide the appropriate construction materials for the conveyor. We've recently done some projects in pharmaceuticals where the customer was unable to find another solution from going to point A to point B due to some elevation changes and some sharp turns needed.
Spantech does a lot of work with all different types of pharmaceutical companies. We do everything from bottles, blister packs, liquid, solids, anything you can think of. We do a lot of work in the pharmaceutical industry in clean rooms, so we have a lot of opportunity to offer you clean applications.
We had a project in California to where more a manual blister packaging type operation, and so they wanted to increase their production and went to more of an automated, higher output, industrial type blister packaging machine. We were able to provide conveyors so they could scale up and accommodate the increased production due to their updated equipment.
We also do operations with carton packaging and palletizing. So anything you need in your pharmaceutical needs, we've got you covered.